From experimental asymmetric nightmares to cutting-edge jet fighters, Blohm and Voss pushed aviation to its absolute limits. Here's every single aircraft they ever built. Blohm and Voss Ha-137. The Ha-137 was Blohm and Voss's first combat aircraft, competing against the legendary Stuka. It performed well in trials with inverted gullwings and a 500 kilograms bomb capacity. Only 13 were built. Politics beat performance. Blohm and Voss Ha-138. Their most produced aircraft with 279 units built. This flying boat had 3 engines in a unique configuration. The later C-Series became the workhorse of German Atlantic patrols, with crews flying grueling 11-hour missions. Blohm and Voss Ha-139. Built for transatlantic mail service before the war, only 3 existed. They flew Lufthansa mail routes across the Atlantic until converted for military patrol when war broke out. Blohm and Voss BV-141. The weirdest-looking aircraft of World War II with its completely asymmetric design. The crew nacelle sat offset on one side for unobstructed observation. It flew well despite appearances, but the Focke-Wulf 189 was already in production. Only 25 were built. Blohm and Voss BV-142. A land-based version of the Ha-139 with retractable landing gear. Only 5 built before other aircraft filled the maritime patrol role. Blohm and Voss BV-222 Wiking. The largest flying boat to achieve operational status in World War II. 6 engines, 150-foot wingspan, carrying 92 troops. 13 built, flying crucial supply missions to North Africa. Even the Allies were impressed when they captured one. Blohm and Voss BV-238. The largest aircraft built by any Axis power in World War II. Nearly 200-foot wingspan. Only one prototype flew successfully in 1944. Allied fighters destroyed it while moored, a massive engineering achievement lost to war. Blohm and Voss BV-40. Desperation engineering. An armored glider designed to dive through bomber formations at 560 miles per hour firing cannons. The pilot lay prone in an armored shell. 6 prototypes worked in testing, but it was essentially a suicide mission. Production cancelled. Blohm and Voss BV-155. A high-altitude interceptor designed to reach B-29 bombers at 50,000 feet. 3 prototypes built. 1 flew before war's end. Impressive technology. Terrible timing. Blohm and Voss P.170. A 6-engine jet bomber that looked decades ahead with swept wings anticipating the B-47. By 1944, Germany couldn't build it, but the engineers were clearly thinking about aviation's future. Blohm and Voss P.188 P.194. Competing jet fighter designs from late 1944. Both featured swept wings and advanced aerodynamics but never progressed beyond drawings. Voss P.200 P.202. High-speed reconnaissance projects with asymmetric designs optimized for camera placement. Never got past initial studies but showed creative problem-solving. Blohm and Voss A607. A ramjet-powered concept designed to reach supersonic speeds in 1944, before anyone had broken the sound barrier. Pure experimental territory that never left theoretical studies. Blohm and Voss P.208 P.209. Vertical takeoff fighters designed to operate from bombed-out airfields. The concepts anticipated VTOL jets by decades, but engineering challenges were insurmountable. Blohm and Voss P.203. A jet-powered flying wing bomber that anticipated the B-2 by 45 years. Great aerodynamic efficiency but impossible control systems for the era. Blohm and Voss P.215. A 4-engine jet bomber designed to reach America. Existed only on paper but showed strategic thinking years before the B-52. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.